Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a reliable backup of PES data. This preserves progress if something breaks. Once done, prevent automatic Play Store updates so changes stick. Next, enable developer options and USB debugging. This gives you safer file-level access to remove links. You're not hacking the game, you're changing a config pointer. That's why backups and disabling updates matter. Follow these initial steps precisely, so the middle steps won't trigger unexpected restores or server-side sync overwrites. Now you access the game folder via a trusted file manager with root or ADB shell. This lets you reach the config that contains the Play Store link. Once inside, search for the link strings, often in WebView HTML or a config JSON, and backup originals. Edit or remove only those link lines. Don't alter unrelated keys. After editing, clear the app cache and data so the game loads the modified files fresh. Make sure file permissions remain unchanged to avoid crashes. Finish by launching PES and validating that the Play Store link is gone from menus and in-game prompts. If the link persists or the app misbehaves, immediately restore the backup and retry the edit more narrowly, targeting only the link strings. If necessary, reinstall the app, reapply edits, and then clear data before relaunch. One key troubleshooting tip: if a server-side check reintroduces the link, you may need to block that specific request via a host's entry or VPN filter. Then test again to ensure stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.